So Yoda was even preparing for this cutting point and then just go there. Maybe, simply if black just answers here that white even can make the really great uh, shape at the center. But Chuchun was very sharp. Then he just even do not answer and raise, to white. Whether you want to take the really bad shape, I don't really care about the right hand side, and I want to get the center, control of the center. And then now somehow white Hengma is in trouble. The white Hengma is not good. So Yoda couldn't find out the good shape. Then he was thinking for white, and then he just decided to use some exchange at the center. And when black plays here, suddenly black's potential is very, very good. Now the black is very thick. So and white has to push and cut, and just Juchun is happy to give up this. Yeah. So and then vital point. And white to push and then has to take care. And at this moment, still is quite difficult to gain. Actually, from this trading, black is leading a little bit. Yeah, just like around 1 point. And then now Yoda has played certainly end game, but this was too small. Now, actually, even white doesn't exchange here. There is not so serious Aji. Just maybe Yoda was thinking this was a very good place. But this time, there's really good chance to use the some Aji right now. In case black just answers and white can have a double Hane. Yeah, I think you know about this Aji, right? Yeah, if white can exchange until now, then white can reduce a lot for black's territory. Yeah, it's really great for white. But when he just exchanges here, then black pushes and then just invade and jump. Now left hand side is the biggest. And then white plays here. And this strategy is also interesting move. Yeah, after black plays strategy here, if white doesn't answer, then just like here, there is always this Aji cutting. Yeah, if white just connect and then stretch. If white captures, then corner is in trouble. Yeah. So now Yoda decided to answer, and then black just answered. Right now, black is leading a little bit. Yeah, not so much, but it's good enough. And then just jump, and then black plays here. Yeah, they are sharing the big place. At this moment, and Yoda was thinking that the situation was not so good, and he really used a sharp move. Yeah, starting from now is a very interesting game, and it's a really exciting game. Suddenly he has played here, attached here. Wow, it was like the situation was not so good, so he wanted to change the mood of the game. So let's see from now. Chuchun of course has to answer here. You know that we can't answer like that. Yeah, now it's really terrible for black. The black has to just play here and the white to get in. Oh, he is just checking the Chuchun's patient now, whether you want to answer or not. Then I'm gonna answer. I'm gonna push and pip as well. Are you gonna connect or not? I will just keep bothering you like this. It was what Yoda was saying. Yeah, like black may have in trouble at the center. But actually, it was okay for black. Yeah, after that, black has an even great strategy. Black can even use the pip one time, and that attachment is a very good move. Yeah. But now Jochun couldn't be patient and just he has to try to attack. Yeah, how can you get into how can you invade to my influence? Yeah, this is like such move. But Yoda has prepared a very good move. Now he has prepared Hane one time, and this Hane was very amazing. After this Hane, suddenly this game is going to Yoda's game. Yeah. Now, somehow black has to separate. White is in danger. But even white can make sente. And there is very amazing move white can even wedge here. Then black cannot really challenge for this. In case black just capture, then white can just keep go out to center. Black is separated now. Yeah, black is getting attacking. And if black just plays here, white can make center and then jump here. And even this fighting is not gonna work. Now capturing race is not okay for black. Yeah. So when white plays Hane, suddenly black really cannot answer. Yeah, so now Jochun just decided to Tenoki. Yeah, he wanted to Just he won, let white to save, and then he want to tie it at the center. And Yoda made a one-time center and then just go here. I think the Chuchun was caring about the question move, and he want to make it efficient, and then just cut here. But this could be almost a losing move. Now he has to take care of this cutting point, however, like this. Then black has to connect, yeah, for those group. But since black plays here, and then white to push and cut. If black cannot capture this group, then black will be separated. And now I guess maybe Chuchun could be the Boyomi, because normally Chuchun is, there is a really famous sentence. Chuchun always play with the last 1 minute. Yeah. So I'm not sure. Yeah, because when I was studying for his game, yeah, in this season, yeah, always he was using the last Boyomi, no matter he lose or win. Yeah, always like that. So he has to make the net, yeah, but sadly it doesn't work. White can push here, somehow it's gonna work, right? Yeah, but if white just cut here, and then if black just connect, then white can save it. Yeah, now black is broken, and black has to just connect here. It seems okay. Yeah, it seems okay. Yeah, but now it's not like that, because if white even Atari and then connect here, black cannot give up this. Now this is very big, and if black just decide to continue to play, those ways are in trouble. And of course black can capture this group, yeah, but now black lost to too many points from this trading. So now Chuchun, of course, couldn't accept, and he read that and then stretch here. At this moment, it was a really white big chance. Now there is even wedge, but white cannot play here right now. The white mission was just escaping to the center, like this. Then if black cannot set up the net, then black is broken as well. Yeah, now if black plays here, then white can just keep use the Taisuji and keep go out to the center like this. It's broken. And even this wedge is gonna work. Yeah, like this. So now almost the black was broken. Yeah, but now he couldn't find this move. Somehow it's a bit ugly shape. So he decided to use the much great move, and then just decided to take the call. Yeah, of course, if black just connect here, still black is broken, But now Chuchun find out the good trading. Yeah, when black pushes here, the white has to give up. So it was finally trading. Somehow, even when I was handling, though, if I handle the white, I think white will, maybe I may feel white is good enough. Somehow white get more point than black. And even it was black's territory, yeah, right? But of course, we cannot count for this area how much black has got more. So after this, white has played here. But this was the Yoda's one of the losing move. Yeah, I think, I remember when I was studying for this game, I felt that this was so obvious. Because, if black just invade here, then white cannot answer anything. Yeah, but at this moment, white really has to catch up the chance. White has to make this sente. Yeah, black has to answer right. And then white can even make the center and take care. And actually this is nothing special. And how white has to handle for this game is white has to try to make the fighting here. And it's defending this move naturally. The reason why, if white try to make the fighting at this moment, and even this fighting is gonna support then his center as well. Then he can cover, he has to try to cover the both side from the making the really local fighting, complicated local fighting. But when he decided to just defense like actual game, Chuchun was catching the chance perfectly. Chuchun catch the chance perfectly. Suddenly he invade here. It seems not working in the local area. So Yoda just answered. If there is nothing, actually this is a big minus move. He's just giving up the monkey jump by himself. So now he has played here and even invade here. Actually it's nothing special. Even though black just saves here, then white can save it easily. Yeah. But after he prepared such move and then he just made a thick influence here. That means after this, many things sente. White cannot really hane here. He has to care about this Aji as well. Yeah. So after he make this group, stronger. And then Chuchio was waiting for the chance, and he just cut at the center, white has to save this group. Yeah.